Unbox it. Okay, guys, I want to show you something special on the plate. A lot of times people buy wheels brand new. They're not in the color scheme or color format that they wanted, so they'll buy them new. Look at this wheel. This is a beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous looking wheel. The only problem is it's not the color that the client wants to match his motorcycle. What type of motorcycle you call that?
Polaris.
A Polaris, a three-wheeler Polaris, okay? A Slingshot. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a perfectly good-looking, beautiful wheel, and we're going to paint it and redesign the wheel to match what the customer wants for his Polaris. Now, when I redesign this, this is the first step, well, third step. Now, here's what we're going to do with this wheel. He wants orange to match the orange on his Polaris. And here's what we're going to do. We actually got 3 different types of tape on this wheel. We got a dark blue, we got a yellow, and then we got a pinstripe and tape that's covered with the yellow to make sure that the lines are going to be nice and smooth and professional. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to paint inside each one of these pockets orange. Inside of this pocket and the barrel orange, okay? We took the studs out. As you can see, they had chrome studs. We took out the studs, and we're going to replace the studs. And once this wheel is done, this is going to be orange, 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 orange. The barrel is going to be orange, but we're going to leave the black on the face of the wheel. It's going to be a beautiful finish. I'll show you why we are the best when it comes to custom wheel painting. This guy's spending some pretty good money because he bought the wheels new. It's going to spend around about $300 and $350 to get them custom painted, but his Slingshot is going to be one of a kind. So if you want to step your game up to a higher level, to where your wheels don't match the next guy's wheels, to where you're totally different, just like the song says, I'm different. Yes, I'm different. Bring your wheels to us. We're going to make them different. You're going to be rolling like one of a kind. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. This is another reason why we are the best. Okay, guys, this is video number 2 in custom paint for these wheels. Now, if you look at the wheels, they look truly amazing. There's quite a bit we did with this because we had to create lines and redesign the wheel. They look awesome. We haven't laid the clear coat as of yet. We're just cleaning up our line and our tape work. And if you notice, inside the barrel, there's paper here. If you see that paper, that means because the barrel is going to remain black. The barrel is going to remain black. And as you can see, we still have black on the top and black on the sides. So this is what the wheel, we're almost at finished product. I just want to show you step by step how we custom paint wheels. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind wheel. No one else is going to have this design. So you can bring your wheels to us and we will redesign it, or you can redesign it to where you truly are different from everyone else. Let me show you over here what the wheel looks like taped up. So as you can see, there's the red. We got rid of all the red and we changed the color to orange. This one's getting ready to go to paint within the next hour or so. I'll show you the finished product when it's got the gloss on it. You're going to see that these wheels will look brand new like they came from the factory. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Okay, guys, this is the final video in this 3-series video. I want you guys to see the finished product on this wheel. Look at this wheel. It is freaking beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the lines. Look how straight they are. This is what we pride ourselves in, straight lines. When we custom paint wheels, you will not get them back and it looks jagged, crooked, like some 12, 13-year-old had an art project to paint the wheels. We are professionals. Look at the clear coat on this wheel. It looks like it came from the factory. But remember, all where you see orange was red. We changed the color. We cleared the whole wheel. And you see the pearl? Look at the pearl in this color. It's freaking amazing. We took the studs out, the buttons, and we put them back in. But this is the type of work we do. I just want you guys to see the finished product. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. If you want to take your wheels and your car to the next level, Bring them to us. We'll get you there to where you'll be definitely different. I'm different. Yes, I'm different. I'm different. Yes, I'm different.